Welcome. Today we'll show you how to set up and manage parental controls on Rogers Xfinity TV. Let's go! Parental controls allow you to manage mature programming or other sensitive content that may be unsuitable for some viewers. Ready to get started? With your TV on, press and hold the mic button on your Xfinity voice remote and say Parental Controls, or press the menu button and select Settings, then Parental Controls. If it's your first time setting up parental controls, choose your safety level from the Quick Setup menu and then select Save. To manage your safety level later, select Skip. We'll cover this later. Next, let's set up your Parental Control Pin. Start by going to the Parental Controls menu, then select Parental Control Pin and enter a 4-digit PIN. Re-enter your new PIN and select OK to confirm it. Next, we'll show you how to manage your parental controls. Begin by returning to the Parental Controls menu. Here, you can access various options such as Parental Control Level, Safe Browse, and more. Next, select Parental Control Level, then choose the safety level that works for you. You can also lock specific content by rating, channel, title, on-demand status, or app. Here's how. Return to the Parental Controls menu, then select the lock type you want to set, and follow the on-screen instructions to lock or unlock content. That's it. Now you know how to set up parental controls on Rogers Xfinity TV. To learn more about Rogers Xfinity TV parental controls, visit our website.